It is Som, that is fasting. Every adult Muslim who's healthy, he should fast, that is abstain from food, drink and sex, from dawn to sunset for one full lunar month, that is the month of Ramadan. This is called as Som, as fasting. And it's mentioned in the Quran, in Surah Baqarah, chapter number 2, verse number 183, that fasting has been prescribed to you as it was prescribed to people who came before you, so that you may learn self-restraint. The main reason for fasting, according to the Quran, is for self-restraint, is for self-control. And today the psychology, they tell us that if you can control your hunger, you can control almost all your desires. And there are various benefits of fasting, medical benefits, other benefits. You can give a talk only on benefits of fasting. For example, today medical science tells us that if you fast the way Islam prescribes for one full lunar month, it increases the intestinal absorption. It even reduces the cholesterol level. If you can abstain from smoking from dawn to dusk, very well, you can abstain from smoking from the cradle to the grave. If you can abstain from drinking alcohol from dawn to dusk, very well, you can abstain from drinking alcohol from the cradle to the grave. It gives us an opportunity to inculcate in us the habits which are good and abstain from those habits which are wrong. Fasting is also prescribed in the Bible, in the Gospel of Mark, chapter number 9, verse number 29, as well as the Gospel of Matthew, chapter number 17, verse number 21. Even the Bible prescribes fasting.